a new YouTube video today.
Hi!
Yeah, we are our friend NetTDM.
Edge! Stop calling me that! I hate that name!
Sorry, he just got a channel name done.
No, that was so many years ago. Actually, no, like a few months ago.
You guys probably are wondering, why are we on GarageBand? Well,
Meme review!
we want to show you how to make your own custom ringtone.
And
Guys,
intro.
Yes, custom anything, but mostly custom ringtone.
Well, he'll show you his ringtone right now
Yeah.
and slash intro.
This only works for
Apple right now.
iOS.
GarageBand is only for Apple.
So, once you're on GarageBand, you'll want to click the add button, okay?
Then you want to
go to
audio recorder.
Yes.
Click
You'll
on
wanna
that.
Click on that. And on audio recorder,
Just click OK if that
you'll
shows up.
just click this
Bricks.
thing on the top.
Those brick things. Then you're gonna
Okay.
press that plus sign.
Now you're going to press the plus sign. It's on the top section where it says the numbers. You're going to press the plus sign.
Then you're gonna
All
go
you're
to
gonna
section
do,
section A.
Section A. You're going to scroll up until you hit 13. So once you're at 13, you'll want to click
Done.
Okay.
Make sure to turn off this weird
Yes.
triangle with that ticking
Tempo.
thing. That's
He
called
doesn't know
that's
what
the
that is.
metronome actually.
Metronome, tempo, whatever.
It's
And
called
all
metronome.
you want to do,
I'm just telling them what the sign is.
you want to add music, don't you?
Yeah.
So you'll click this swirly thing up on the top by the settings.
That looks like the omega symbol if you do
Yeah,
not
yeah,
know
yeah.
what that is.
And you'll want to click, you can customize this. I'm going to go for a synth, and I'm going to go for, let's see here, I'm going to go for intense, okay? And you can
He has no favorites there.
Oh, I don't have any favorite. So all you'll want to do,
Just click on that heart if you
Yes.
don't have anything.
you'll want to click a synth you want. So I'm gonna go
Or
with
anything
the-
that you have selected.
anything. So you can click any of these, and I'm gonna go with CL.
Now hold
Now
down
you're
and
gonna hold
drag
down
it.
and drag, and you're gonna go right below the microphone, and you can shorten it. Just click on it, click the edge, shorten it however you want.
Until it doesn't let you.
You can play it, good sound.
And then you can also put one right below on this first line, or you can add on to that
So
first
what
line.
I like to do is click sound and go to drums, okay? And then I like doing the tribal chord beat. Okay, sounds pretty cool. So all you do, I don't think I have explained this, but if you want to add music, you hold down on it and then drag it. You can put this under and make it small.
Or you can actually make it play throughout the whole song for like a beat that sounds really cool.
Yes, that also is an option. And now you guys are probably like, okay, well, now how do I export it? So all you do is
Go down to that arrow, go to My Songs, and sometimes it will have a select song, and you'll do that, and then that.
if you're
but
on Apple phone. So
yeah, but
all
you do for iPod is you hold down on the song that you just created, and then let go of it, and then click share.
Okay.
Then do ringtone.
Click ringtone. You're gonna
Name
use
it.
any ringtone.
You're gonna name it
this
something else.
random.
Then
I
you're
don't
gonna
know.
click done.
Done.
Export.
And you're gonna click export. Okay.
And by the way, this app is not pre-built into the phone, so you're gonna have to get it. But don't worry, it is free. So yeah, and then soon.
GarageBand. That's what.
So yeah, it's called GarageBand, and then you're gonna do
click
use as sound,
as,
and then you're gonna do standard ringtone, and then you can go into settings, go to sounds, then go on settings, and then you can click on then ringtone, and then you're gonna go to your check mark.
You want. Okay, I have already made other ringtones.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
You're gonna click on the ringtone you want. Okay.
Yep.
And that's basically all, guys.
Well, hang on. We still gotta play the ringtone. So, sorry if this actually does not work out because there might be some errors.
Well, basically, that's all, guys. Be sure to subscribe.
Hit that like button, hit that little bell. Go subscribe
to The Real Edge
YT. Vloggings, this channel, PewDiePie, Mr. Beast, and Mr. Bro because Mr. Bro needs some help.
And see you in the next one.